Hi guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a hammock review. So in case you guys are looking for a hammock, then definitely this review will help you. So this one is from the brand FORSTEEL. It's from Amazon. So let's open it and see how it looks. So it's a universal hammock stand and with a hammock. So you can use it for your outdoor patio or outside of your home. So let's open it and see how it looks. And one.
Okay.
Now, you can see these are the things I got. See, this is the hammock. Oh my god, you can see this is like a fabric material and really great quality. And these
I said it's not this one. It's this one.
Okay.
and these are some screws I got. This is the instruction manual I got. It comes with this packet where you can carry this thing. It has a like pouch. And here is the user manual. You can see. So guys, this one you have to remove the cap like this way.
Yes. And then
Remove the cap from this way.
Careful.
So now we have to remove.
what is it?
So you can see.
Okay.
First you have to lay down these two things like this way, and then remove this plastic caps and connect these two to this horizontal bar, and then connect this vertical bar like this way. 2, 1, 2. You have to lay down first, then connect this horizontal bar, and then these two you can connect here. These one
We'll go on the bottom. See.
match the group. So these knobs,
Like this.
try this one.
Nice.
Okay, now you can see.
Yeah. Here I have put another screw.
Right, so here we have to. Now we'll do the same thing here. Bring one more.
Here another screw, like this way. Yeah.
That's it.
Emergencies.
That's it.
So this way I connected the hammock. Like this way. Okay, now my hammock is ready. Make the hammock like this way. You can see this hook portion should be on the downside, and the hammock ring goes through like this way and like this. So this portion, like hook portion, this one comes to this way. So now I'll see. Oh. Oh, yeah, it's really amazing experience. Yeah. I took this hammock to outside so that I can enjoy the outside view on my leg. So, yeah, you can see.
I see a tractor. I see a pickup truck. I see a truck. I see a white little truck. I see a police truck.
Really amazing. So in case you guys are looking for a hammock, definitely you can try this one. It's like really easy to assemble, and also the quality is also really great. You can see this one is and you can I think it can support up to like 400 lb. And yeah, and it's really easy. So in case you don't have to also, you don't have to worry because they have already. And so it's like start. You can put it like anywhere in the outside, in your patio, in your outside door, everywhere you can put it. In case you can go out, you can put it also because it's like really easy to assemble, and you can put it in your bag. And I really enjoy my hammock. So in case you guys are planning to buy this hammock, definitely you can check it in Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box so you can check there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.